guys, tara gawa tayo ng yummy, creamy leche flan. Kailangan lang natin ng half cup sugar, half cup water, then bring to boil hanggang mag-caramelize. Then prepare natin ng ating flan. Kailangan natin ng 8 egg yolks, 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup evaporated milk or fresh milk. Tapos haluin lang natin fresh milk. Tapos salain natin ang ating leche flan mixture. Tapos ilagay natin ating caramelized sugar sa container and then ang ating flan mixture. Ilagay natin din sa container at saka lagyan ng hot water. Tapos i-bake natin siya ng 350 degrees Celsius ng 50 minutes and ready to serve.